My name is Anthony Colia, and this is my ICS 321 final project. It's called Accrued Cash DB, short for database, and I decided to create it because I work as a teller. At our organization, we use a program that was created in 1992, and I wanted to make use of something that was a little bit more efficient during my time there. To begin our program, we're going to click the calendar icon. We'll select any day, let's say November 27th, and we'll hit submit. You'll immediately notice that we have 4 new tabs: Log, Loans, Pickup, and Cashiers. The Log tab gives us the option to add operators to our table. Loans gives us the option to give money to our cashiers throughout their shift. And Pickup will do the exact opposite. Once they're done with their shift, we will collect all the money they have, count it by hand, and subtract it from the amount that they're supposed to have here in the table. In our cashiers list, we have several cashiers. The numbers 71 through 77 are reserved for self-checkout machines, and that will never change. And the 100 numbers are reserved for our actual cashiers. If you notice, we have a very small amount here, but being that our organization is relatively small, we'll never have more or less than the amount of cashiers you see. So let's go back to the Log tab. Let's say our first cashier came in. He's 127. We're going to click Add Operator. We're going to give him $150 because it's how much we give each cashier when they first start their shift. Operator 127, and we'll hit Submit. So you notice that he's added to our database here with everything we specified. Now let's say we're sending him to the express lane. Most of our customers here like to pay with cash because it's a simple in and out. So we'll hit Loan. We'll give him another $150, 105s, and 15 ones. So his operator ID is 127, and we'll hit Submit. So you notice our table is now updated to $300. And let's say 4 hours go by and he's made around $1,023. It's been a rather busy day. So his operator ID is 127, and now our table is once again updated to the correct specified amount. At our organization, we don't allow our cashiers to have more than $1,000 at one time. This is to prevent robberies from our organization, and if they do rob us, at least it won't be a large amount. So we're going to the pickup screen. We'll hit pickup. Let's say we'll pick up $950. We'll hit continue. This is for operator 127, and his total cash amount is now updated again. Now let's say his shift is over. We count his till, everything checks out except instead of $373, he has $374. Perhaps he didn't want to give that last dollar to a customer, forgot to do so. We'll hit continue. His operator ID is 127. We'll hit submit. And now his total cash amount is represented with some parentheses. If you notice at the bottom of the table, this is to denote a negative number. This simply means that he's over the amount he's supposed to have, which is completely fine. As long as it doesn't supersede $6, he won't get written up. So that is a simple process that we do each day, and that's just for one cashier. Now let's say we want to add 2 more. Let's say 104 and 168. So we'll go through the same process, $150, 104, we'll add him, he's now added, $150, 108. Sorry, excuse me, 168. And you'll notice that they're both added, and everything is sorted in accordance to their operator ID. Let's say, cashier 127 decided to leave. Perhaps he was pursuing another cashier. We'll give the new cashier we hired the name of, let's say, Rick. We'll hit continue. His operator ID will be the old operator ID but his name was Gary. We'll hit continue, and you'll notice that it's now updated in our database. Same will happen when we go to the log screen, the loan screen, and the pickup screen. Now let's say we want to go back and select a different date. Say November 8th. We'll notice that we're given the same presets, and our cashier list is still updated to the most recent one. If we go back to the 27th, our data will still persist. And that's my final project.